chào các bạn. Tôi tên là Robin. Xin lỗi, tôi tiếng Việt chút chút. So I'm very sorry. But I'm very happy to be here today. I'm very happy to be here in District 2 and at the school, and obviously I'm very happy to be with Miss Vinh today.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Robin. Yeah, it's very nice to work with you today.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and thank you for everybody for putting in the effort to come today. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so let's get started with our lesson today.
Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, student. Okay,
Right.
so can you stand up to say good morning to Mr. Robin? Okay, so students stand up, please.
Good morning. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. Okay, please sit down.
Okay,
please
sit down, please.
Thank you. Okay, so in case you don't know, my name is Robin, and this is...
Okay, my name is Vinh. I'm a friend of Công Vinh. He is a footballer, soccer. Okay, my name is Vinh and Mr. Robin.
Okay, right, so today, before we start the lesson, we're all going to warm up and make sure that we're ready for the lesson. So, everybody.
Okay, student, did you do the exercise this morning?
Did anybody exercise this morning? Miss Vinh, did you
No,
exercise this morning?
I asked about this morning. Did you wake up early and do the exercise? No. So some of them, they are very sleepy. So you need a warm up to
we
a
do.
song
We need
to
a
warm them up.
Okay, everybody, please stand up.
Okay, stand up, please.
Okay, so for our warm-up today, we're going to do a song and a dance today for our warm-up.
Okay, Mr. Robin, what is the name of the song you want to sing with the student today?
Right, the song is If You're Happy and You Know It. If
Who
you're
know this
happy
song?
and you know it.
Who know it? Yeah, most of the students at An Binh Primary
Right,
School, they know it.
fantastic.
Yeah,
Great,
very good.
great.
So you know the lyrics, right? Yeah, okay. So Robin, I and you and the student will sing and dance together.
Miss Vinh, before we start, let's make sure that everybody knows some of the actions that we need to do.
Yeah.
So, first one, everybody,
Okay,
clap
everybody.
your hands.
Clap your hands.
Okay. Next one, stomp your feet.
Okay, stomp your feet.
Very good. And the last action, everybody, arms in the air.
Arm in the air and say,
Oh no!
oh no! Oh no! Okay. Are you ready to the song? Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, sing with us.
Happy
and you know.
it, and your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you're really gonna show it. If you're happy and you know it,
Clap your hands. Okay, sing along with the song.
You're angry and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, and you're really gonna show it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet.
Mr. Robin is very angry now.
Scared, scared,
Say,
oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say oh no. Oh no! If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no. Oh no!
Wow, fantastic. Good performance.
Right, very good. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, everybody, please sit down.
Okay, take a seat, please. Sit nicely.
Okay, so now, before we begin the lesson, we're going to have 4 rules. 4 rules for the
Okay,
lesson.
student, do you remember the classroom rules that Mr. Robin said in your classroom?
Okay, So the first rule is...
Okay,
Right,
sit
does anybody
nicely.
remember? Okay, yeah, the first rule is? Very good. Right, so sit nicely. Sit nicely.
Okay,
Thank
sit
you.
nicely. Put your hand on the table.
Right, the next rule is...
What is it? What is the rule? What is rule number 2?
Okay, yeah.
Is look and listen.
Right, very good. So look and listen to your teachers and to your friends as well.
Okay. When the teacher Robin teaching us, he asks you to look and listen carefully so that you know the lesson very well. You understand the lesson.
Right, rule number 3. Rule number 3.
Okay, what is rule number 3? Who know?
Miss Finn?
I think that raise your hand if you want to go to the toilet.
Oh,
Or you want to say something?
Right. Very good, Miss Finn.
Yeah.
So, raise your hand if you need to speak to me or Miss Finn, or if you want to go to the toilet. Okay? Right, very good.
Okay. I don't expect you to say me, when teacher asks you a question. So raise your hand and teacher will call you, okay?
Okay. Right, now then, that's 1, 2, 3,
4.
Rule number 4.
Okay, this is the last rule. It is
Right.
very important.
Right, so the last rule, really important, okay, for today, because this is an English lesson, so zip.
Okay, what is rule number 4? We are in English lesson.
Right,
So,
okay, yeah.
No mix Vietnamese.
Right, very good. So please try, and I know it's very difficult, try not to speak any Vietnamese today because we're in an English lesson, okay? So please try just to speak English.
okay, try to speak English, not Vietnamese in the English class, okay?
Okay, right. Does everybody remember the rules?
Okay, so students, you remember our classroom rules? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, I hope you can follow.
Right, okay, so before we start the lesson, we have to introduce, right, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables.
Okay,
So,
4 table means 4 teams, right?
4 teams, Miss Finn, 4 teams. Right, so who can tell me what are these? What are these? These are?
These are rockets.
Right, excellent. These are rockets. Okay, so, right, what colour is this rocket? What colour is this rocket? Okay, that team, yeah.
The rocket have a color of purple.
Right, fantastic. So, purple rocket, okay?
Okay, purple rocket for your teams.
Okay, the next colour.
Who won
Okay.
this
What
rocket?
colour is this? What colour is this?
Nobody won
Oh,
this rocket.
I see one. Yep, okay.
The girl, do you
What-
want this colour?
What did you say? It's pink. Right, what was that? What was that?
I don't want
Right,
pink.
no, it was, yeah.
No.
Right, I'm sure, Miss Finn, I'm sure.
Yeah, I heard she said that she like pink.
I love pink, Mr. Robin. Mr. Robin, I love pink. Right, fantastic.
Okay, pink for your team. Okay, next time I will change the color of the rocket for you. It's okay? Okay, we have purple, pink,
Right, okay.
rocket.
The next colour. What colour is this? Okay, what colour is this? Okay, this team, what colour is this? Yep.
Color is green.
Right, okay, fantastic. Yeah, so we have a green rocket.
Okay, green rocket. Okay, the last team.
So that means the last team, you get the yellow rocket.
Yeah, yellow rocket. Okay, and Mr. Robin, what is the rocket for?
Right. Okay, so every time that me or Miss Vin ask a question, if you put your hand up and you give a correct answer, you get 1 point, 1 point. And your rocket will go higher up the board. So, Miss Vin, right, I have some questions first.
Yeah.
So, there are 4 rules for the lesson.
Yeah.
Number 1 is, what's number 1?
You remember the first rules?
What's the first rule? The first rule is... Okay, purple rocket.
Purple rocket. What is the first rule? Teacher just want to review before we start the lesson.
The first rule is sit nicely.
Sit
Right,
nicely.
sit nicely, very good. So, 1 point.
Okay, if you sit nicely, you will get 1 point. Okay, 1 point for the purple
Okay,
rocket.
rule number 2. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Okay, yeah.
Look and listen.
Yeah, look and listen. Right, very good.
Okay, so 1 point for team pink. Pink rocket.
Number 3. Number 3.
Number 3, who remember? Who won the
Yeah.
point?
Okay.
Raise your hand.
Yeah, raise your hand. Very good. Raise your hand.
Okay, the last rules.
And the last rule is... Okay.
The last rule is no Vietnamese.
Yeah, no Vietnamese today, please. Just English.
Okay,
Fantastic.
so no Vietnamese. So for team, you have 1 point for the first activity. Okay?
Right. Okay then.
So you know how to get the point from the teachers? Okay, answer the question. But if you are noisy, if you don't sit nicely, you talk with your friends, I will like minus 1 point. Okay? If you make the teacher very sad, very angry, I will minus 1 point. Is it okay? Yeah, okay.
Right, fantastic. Okay.
Okay.
Right then, Miss Vin. So, class, we'll start with our first part of the lesson today.
Is it a game, Mr. Robin?
Right, so this activity, this game is called the matching game. The matching game. What do I mean by that, Miss Vin?
Can
What
you
do I
explain
mean?
how to play?
Right, okay, so we have one picture, we have lots of pictures and lots of words. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. And we have to match the picture and the word together. So you have to match the picture and the word together.
Okay, so this game asks you to match the word to the picture, which has the same meaning.
Right,
Okay,
so...
Mr. Robin, can you do an example?
Yeah, okay, Miss Vin. I will do the first one.
Okay, look at Mr. Robin,
Right,
so that you know
let me
how
have
to
a
play
think.
it.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Robin, choose quickly.
Right.
Okay, the boy and...
Oh, no. No. Right, yes. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Choose quickly,
Right.
Robin.
That one, and that one. Right.
But it disappeared.
Right,
Click
the
one more.
picture has disappeared.
When you click correctly, the picture will disappear.
Okay.
And the word still have on the board.
So, the word will stay on the board and the picture will disappear if you are correct. Okay, so that's 1 point to Robin.
Okay, 1 point for Robin.
Okay.
Can you, do you agree to give Mr. Robin 1 point?
Yeah. Okay, right, 2 points. Yeah?
2 points.
Okay, 2 points. Yeah.
Okay, so 0 point for Mr. Robin.
Right, okay then. So we have yellow, pink, purple, green.
Okay, who volunteered to play this game?
Who wants to go first?
Volunteer.
Okay, right, let's start with the yellow team then.
Okay,
So-
yellow team.
Right, Miss Finn, do you want to choose somebody from the yellow team?
Yellow team, who volunteer? Okay, the boy.
Right, so the first choice, what are you going to choose
Okay,
first?
choose.
Okay. Right, so you chose
Round.
round. Right, so round and the picture has disappeared. So correct, 1
Okay,
point.
so 1 point for you. Can you come to the board and like give 1 point for your teams? Okay, good job.
Right, fantastic. Okay, now we're going to go to the pink team. Okay, pink team. Okay, come on out then. Right, okay, so
Now two
that
pictures
time,
disappear.
that time both of them have disappeared. Fantastic. Okay,
Okay,
so,
what is it?
right, and what did you choose?
It's sunglasses.
Right, excellent. So she chose for the pink team sunglasses, and that was correct. So 1 point. So can you go to the board and put 1 point on your board for you?
Okay, next turn. We still have like one,
Right.
two, three,
Okay,
three pictures.
let's have the purple team next.
Purple team, who volunteer? Okay, you.
So you chose, right, swing, and swing has disappeared. Right, okay, so that's correct. So 1 point on the board, please. Fantastic. Okay, good stuff. Right, okay, so now on to the green team. Right.
Green team.
Okay, come on out.
Wow, good job.
Right, very good. And you chose, what did you choose?
Square.
Okay, square. Okay, so 1 point then, please.
And one more picture. Okay, Robin, now choose the fastest
Right,
volunteer
okay.
because we
So,
just have one picture.
Everybody now then, hands on the table.
Hands on the table. Who
Right.
raise your hand fastest?
Right,
Mr.
okay.
Robin will call you.
Right, so, ready?
Robin, Mr. Robin, count from.
Right, I'll count from 5.
Okay, 5 to 0.
5,
5,
4, 3,
2.
2, 1.
Wow, so difficult to
Right,
choose.
I'm going to go for the pink team.
Okay, pink team.
Okay.
Mr. Robin, choose you the fastest. Okay, the last picture.
Right, and you chose?
Washing.
Right, washing, very good. Okay, 1 extra point then for the pink team.
Okay, the girl is washing her hair. No, her hands, right? Her hands.
Okay, right. Right, thank you. Okay then, right, very good so far. So now we're going to go on to our next part of the lesson. Okay, right, so this is called finding or find the differences. Find the differences. But before we start, we've got picture A, picture B, picture A, picture B.
Okay, two pictures,
So-
picture A and picture B.
Right, where do you think this is? Is it in a park, in a school, in a playground. Yeah. Where do you think this is? Where do you think this is? Okay.
The picture is in the circle.
Very good. So in the circus, do you think, is that 1 point? One point?
Okay, she deserves 1 point. So green rocket, 1 point for you.
Right,
okay,
fantastic.
The picture is in the circus.
So yeah, very good. The pictures, right, picture 1 or picture A and picture B are both in the circus. So now, right, okay. What can you see? What can you see in the pictures? Okay, what can you see?
Okay,
right.
Can you identify the things that you see in the picture?
Let's have, we'll start with, okay, the purple team. Okay, yeah, okay.
Purple
Tell
team.
me one thing that you can see in the picture.
I see an elephant.
Right, very good. So, an elephant, so 1 point.
Okay, elephant. What else? What else can you see from the picture?
Okay, right, next team. Let's have the green team, okay? Right, yeah.
I can see a horse.
A horse, Miss Vin. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
The horse?
No, the horse here.
Oh, the horse, yeah. It's a big horse.
And student, what is it?
Camel.
Yeah,
Right,
that's
okay.
right. It is a camel.
So, green team.
Green team, 1 point.
Team.
Okay, a horse. Because we are in a circus, so we can see a lot of like animals, horse, elephant, monkey. Yeah.
Okay, so next, right, yellow team. One thing that you can see.
The human.
Right, okay, so people.
Yep.
Right, so people, Miss Vin, people. Right, there are how many people?
Okay, let's count how many people.
Right.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay,
5
5 people.
5 people in picture A. Okay, right, very good.
Okay, we can see the animal and people and human. What else? What else
Right,
can you see?
okay. Pink team now, the pink team.
Okay, the last thing that they can see from
the last thing that you can see. Okay, Miss Vin?
I see the swing.
She said that she see a swing.
A swing? Right, I see, yes. The swing, okay? Right, very good, okay.
Okay, we call this swing. Okay.
So now, what I want you to do is have a look and think about what differences there are in the picture.
Okay, Mr. Robin, can you explain what is difference mean?
Right, so
what does it
this
mean?
word, differences, this means if there are two robins, and one robin has a blue shirt, and one robin has a white shirt.
Okay, so to Mr. Robin.
Those are differences. Or if I have short hair, Miss Vin has, anybody? Anybody?
Long or short hair?
Yeah?
Long hair.
Long hair, very good.
Yeah,
very
so
good.
that is the difference between us.
Yes. So I have short hair and I'm a man.
I have long hair and I'm actually a girl.
Right, okay then. So, next part, Miss Vin. Yeah. Right, I will do a circle. Yeah, okay. So, everybody, watch me and I will show you what I would like you to do. Right, let's choose the ball. Right, so I'm looking on the board now at the two pictures and I'm looking for the differences. Okay.
Okay, in picture A and in picture B. So, Mr.
Right.
Robin, what is the difference between?
I'm not sure, Miss Finn. Shall I ask somebody? Shall I
Yeah,
ask
okay.
somebody? Right, okay. Let's, right, the purple team. Okay. Right. What is the difference?
In picture A, the girl is sitting on a swing.
Okay, so she's sitting, yeah?
But in picture B, the girl is standing on a swing.
Right, very good. So, picture A, she is sitting. Picture B, she is standing. Very good. Okay. Right, Miss Ven. Right, next
Yeah.
part, please.
Okay, Mr. Robin, but I see many differences between two
Yeah,
pictures,
there
but you
are.
just stated one.
So that's one difference, but now there are lots of differences. So, what we want you to do is, they've got a picture for this? Yeah. Right? Miss Vin will give you a picture and we want you to circle the pictures and think and look and find the differences.
Okay, the picture I have is the same with the picture on the board. So each of you will have like one picture, and you will work with your partner to find the differences, okay, between two pictures A and B. Mr. Robin, can you help me deliver the paper?
Yes, I can. Right. Okay. 1, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 6. There you go. Right. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.
Each of you will have one picture. Okay, and Mr. Robin, how many times did you set for this activity?
Right, so everybody now, you have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to find all the differences.
Okay, work in pair. Work with your partner. Work in pair. Work in pair.
Right, so where are the differences on this one? Excellent, yeah, not many people get that, yeah. So this one's empty, it's empty, and this one is full up, yeah, this one's green, yeah, that's white, okay, good. Okay, what do you see? Right, so I would say that that's a brush. I think that's a brush that he's holding, okay? Yeah. Right, okay, so we had a very good question. What is this on picture B that this man has? That is a brush, So he's brushing the camel. No ball, okay. What can you see on the camel's head? What is different on the camel's head? So one hat is round and one hat is square. Right, very good, okay. Finished? Right, I think we've got about another 2 minutes yet, okay, so you have to wait and get really bored. Oh no. Right. Okay, yeah, okay. Shampoo, you got the shampoo, you got the hat on the camel, yeah. You got the brush on the man, yeah, very good. Right, very good, yeah. This one's A, this one's B. Okay, excellent. Right, very good. Yeah, shampoo's full, the shampoo's empty. Okay. Let me have a look. Right. Anything different about the horse? So we've got 2 girls, 1 girl on the horse, sitting and sound as you please. Yeah, okay. Any, yeah, what's there? What's there? What's different? Maybe, yeah, maybe just a small difference. Okay, okay, yeah. Right, don't forget the hat. Yeah, that's different. That's different. That's different. Yeah, okay. Yeah, shampoo. Right, shampoo. Very good. Okay. Right. Yes.
Bring this to have a drink.
Right. If you want a drink, you can put your hand up. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you want, do you want to go for a drink? Do you need a drink? No. Okay. Right. Okay. So yeah, we've got the hats, got the shampoo, got the clown, got the ball, 2 girls, 1 girl. This elephant's got a tail. This elephant's got no tail. Okay. You think? Well, maybe. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Brushing, washing. Okay. Let's have a look. Right. Okay. Yeah. This one's called A. This one's called B. Right. Very good. Right. All of them. Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Yes. Time's up. Okay. Right. So now time is up. Is everybody finished? Is everybody finished? Yes? Right, fantastic, great stuff.
They
Okay.
can identify the differences very quickly.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think they did find the differences very quickly, Miss In.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so now I want, should we have 1 or 2 people, Miss Finn?
I expect you to call 2 students
Okay,
so that
right.
they can practice speaking with their friends.
Okay, right, so let's have 2 students. Okay, right, so 1 and 2. Okay, please come out. Okay. Right, okay, so you need to say, right, okay, not doing back to back yet, not yet. Right, okay, so, right, tell us 1 difference that you can see in your picture.
Okay, besides the girl on the bar here, just say 1 difference so that like other groups can tell another.
Okay.
Okay, so what is your
Right,
difference?
first one then.
In picture A, I see 2 girls is riding a horse.
Okay, right, so picture A,
Okay, he said that in picture A, he's
2
see
girls.
2 girls on a horse, right?
Okay, yeah,
But in picture B, I see 1 horse riding a horse.
okay, and picture B, 1 girl riding the horse. Okay, right,
Okay, that is the second difference.
thank
Okay,
you.
2 girls on a
Thank you.
horse in picture A, and 1 girl on a horse in picture B. Okay, the third difference.
right, next difference, the next difference. Okay, we'll have 1 and 2.
Okay, so green and purple, right?
Yep,
Green and purple, you have 1 point.
thank you very much, Miss Finn. Okay.
Just
right,
say
so
1 difference.
next difference, 1 difference, 1 difference.
In picture 1, I see the boy wash
the camel by the water.
Okay, so picture 1,
But
washing the camel.
in picture B, I see the boy is brush the camel.
Okay, and in picture B, he's brushing the camel. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Okay, washing the camel and brushing the camel.
Right, okay, 2 more.
And pink and
Okay,
and
now
yellow.
we'd like, let's have pink. Okay, let's have 1 and 1 from this team and 2. Right, so what can you see in picture A?
I see a camel have a circle head.
Right, okay, so the camel has a round hat. A round hat. Okay, good.
In picture B, I can see a camel have a square hat.
Yeah, and in picture B, the camel has a square hat. Okay, well done. Right, thank you very much. Sit down.
okay, remember to give your team 1 point.
Right.
Okay, the boy, can you come to the boy and give your team 1 point?
Okay, right, 1 point. Okay, right, good. Okay, yep. Go up 1. Purple team. Right, okay, we need 1 from the purple team. Let's have somebody from the purple team. Okay, purple team, okay, yeah, purple team, yeah. Come on out. Again. And let's have one more. Okay, yellow team. Right. So, 1 difference.
In picture A, I see a clown is playing with the elephant.
Okay. Fantastic. Good. Right, let's give you 1 point. Okay. Okay, right. Your picture then.
In picture B, I can see the clown is play with the elephant.
Okay. Right, so the clown is on the elephant. Yeah.
Okay. In picture A, the clown is playing with the ball, but
Right.
in picture B, the clown is standing on an elephant. Okay, Mr. Robin, can I say my difference?
Yes, you can say your differences, Miss Finn, please.
Student, do you know this one? What is this? Sample.
Right,
This is
shampoo.
a bottle sample. In picture A, the sample is empty. Mr.
Yeah.
Robin, is that correct?
Yeah, it's empty.
Empty. But in picture B, the sample is
Full.
full. Full.
So we
Okay.
have empty and full. Okay?
Yeah, so we find all the differences between the pictures.
Okay, fantastic. Right, okay. So now for our next activity. Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next activity. It's called
Right. This is called Who is the Best Artist? Who is the best artist?
Who can draw? Who can draw a picture? Mr. Robin, can you draw a picture?
I'm very good.
But-
I'm very good. Yeah. I'm
So-
a great artist.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so show off for the student. Okay, so what you expect them to do with this activity?
Right, so for this activity, you're going to have a picture. Okay. Right, so put your hands up. Where is this? Where is this? Okay, purple team. Where is this? Where do you think this is?
The forest.
In the forest, in the park. Right, okay, very good. So this is in the forest, in the park. Very good. Okay, so what I want you to do is have a look at the picture and you're going to draw on the picture, but there are four things that you can draw. Number one, you can draw people.
Okay, you can draw people.
Number two, animals.
Animals.
Animals. Number three, the weather. The weather. So sunny, rainy, cloudy. Okay. And number four, you can draw trees. Trees. Big trees, small trees.
Thin trees.
Fat trees, thin trees.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And for this activity, you have 5 minutes. 5 minutes for this activity.
Mr. Robin, this is the picture for expert student.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Miss In.
Okay, student, collect the different picture together, and we will give you the new one.
Yeah. Good. You can start drawing now. Yeah, if you want to. Any animals you like. Okay. Dogs, cats, rabbits, horses, sharks. I'm going to draw a shark in there. Anything. Monkeys. Draw monkeys on there. Any colours? Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, colours. If you want to colour the sky, you can say it's got a blue sky.
Okay, take out your crayon. Who haven't got the crayon?
Right, and remember, you can draw any animals you like. Any animals you like. So monkeys, dogs, cats, elephants, anything at all. People, big people, small people. So, we've got some trees, we've got the weather. What kind of weather is this? Sunny? Right, so cloudy, yeah, cloudy, light blue clouds, okay, right, that's good. Yeah, got a plane there, got a bird here, right, good, yeah. Got some nice big trees there, okay, good. Right, okay, so we're taking pictures of fish, yeah. Got a lady floating on the water like a ghost.
Quickly.
Rabbit, I thought that said Robin then. I was like, oh no. Right, there are some very, very good pictures. Very good pictures. Okay, yellow team. Okay, some nice blue clouds. Some sunshine. Some animals. Okay, there's a pig. Okay, I've got some fish. I've got a bird. Oh, I've got an aeroplane. I've got an aeroplane.
Okay, 1 more minute.
Okay. Right, everybody finish.
Okay, finish. Time's up.
So now we need two people, okay? Let's have yellow team, okay, the yellow rocket, okay, 1. And we'll have the pink team, okay, 2. Please come out. Okay, yep, we're going to do back to back, okay, right.
Okay, so you will stand back to back.
Right, so now you're going to stand back to back and then tell the other person what you have in your picture. Okay. So, first one, we'll go with the yellow team.
In my picture, the weather is sunny.
Okay. Right, so in your picture, the weather is sunny. Right, okay.
In my picture, the weather is sunny too.
Okay, and in your picture, the weather is sunny too. Right, fantastic, very good. Right, please sit down. Thank you. Okay, next ones. Okay, we'll have green team.
So this turn, Mr.
Green
Robin
team.
wants you to
Okay, 1.
describe all the picture, not just the weather.
And
you
the
have to
purple
describe
team.
the people,
2, coming out.
the animals, the weather, the trees, not just the weather.
Okay, right. Okay, so please describe your picture.
In my picture, this have a rainbow.
Okay, so it's got a rainbow.
Yes.
Anything else?
Fish
Okay, there are fish in the river,
and a bird
birds.
and a house.
Okay, right, clouds, and there's a house. Right, very good. Right, in your picture,
In my pictures, the weather is cloudy.
okay, so in your picture the weather is cloudy.
The butterfly is flying over the trees.
Okay, yeah, there's a butterfly flying over the trees.
There are two fish.
Okay, there are two fish,
The girl is taking photos.
and there is a girl taking a photo. Right, fantastic. Right, very good. Well done, thank you. Right.
Okay, 2 more.
Okay, two more people then. Two more people. Let's
Okay, Mr. Robin, can you choose the best picture?
Right, the best picture. Right, let me have a look. Right, I like this one. Okay, coming out.
Mr. Robin, he's very confident. He thinks that he has the best picture. And
Really?
he
I
must-
think I have the best picture
Okay,
here.
so can you come up and present about your picture?
Right, coming out. Come on, stand up. Come and talk about your picture.
Don't be shy. The teacher will correct for you.
Right.
Okay, stand back to back. and
Okay,
describe
back to
the
back.
picture. Who first?
Okay, yeah.
In my picture, in the sky have a lot of birds is flying.
Okay, so there are lots of birds flying in your picture. Okay, good. Yeah.
But in my picture, I have a pig.
Okay, in your picture you have a pig. A
Yes.
pig. Okay, right, very good. Okay. Right, any more? Are you going to tell me any more about your picture?
Yeah, it's in the river. It have a shark too.
Right, okay, so in the river there are some fish or a shark. Okay, and who is this?
This is me and this
Ah, and you and your friend. Right, very good, very good. And what else is in your picture?
In my picture, this is me.
Yeah, and there's a picture of
And-
you with an umbrella.
Yes, because really hot and sunny.
Right, because it's very hot and sunny. Right, very good. Right, okay, please sit down. Okay, so now if you want to finish the pictures, please take the pictures home. You can finish the pictures at home and then show me again later. Thank you. Okay? Right, thank you very much.
Okay, so next time please bring the picture and show Mr. Robin the complete picture. Complete? But I see some of you, you haven't complete the picture. You still have like add more details.
Right, okay, so before we finish, we need to have a look at the rockets on the board. Okay, right, Miss Finn?
Okay, look at the board and count how many points you have.
Right, so we have the purple rocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The green rocket. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Right, the yellow rocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Oh, 7, Miss Finn.
Okay,
7.
point for yellow.
And for the pink team, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the winner, right, Miss Vin, should we do one more question?
Yeah, so choose the winner. Mr. Robin has the deciding question for
Right,
yellow and pink rocket.
right, so hands on the table.
You want a you want to receive the big prize from Mr. Robin?
Right, so here we go. So the last question is, what language are we speaking today? What language? Pink team. Yeah.
English.
Right, very good. Well done, pink team.
So 1 point for pink team and you have?
So now the pink team has 8 points. Excellent.
So the winner is?
So the winner now is the pink team. Very good.
Okay, pink team, very good. Okay, Mr. Robin, as you promised, you will give the winner the present.
Okay, so. Right, okay. Right, again. So
And other team, don't be shy, don't be sad because I have a small gift for you.
3,
Yeah.
4.
So try next time to be the winner and you win the bigger prize.
5, 6. One for everybody?
Yeah, the gift for everybody, for other
Okay.
teams.
Right, so you get 1 pencil each. Okay? Okay, right, 1 each. Have to be quick. Be quick. Okay, yeah. Okay. Right, okay. Here we go. Right, choose 1. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Everybody got 1?
Kết thúc.
Quick. Okay, right, thank you. Right.
Okay, so are you happy with your prize? The prize is very cute, right? Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Okay, right, Miss Lynn. Yeah, we'll quickly do on the song. Okay, so now, right, everybody, before we finish, we're going to do one last thing. We're going to do one last song to say goodbye and finish with. So, everybody, please stand up.
Okay, the song will finish our lesson today. So put the chair under the table nicely. And after the song, we will say goodbye to the teacher and move to the classroom. Okay, put the chair nicely on under the
Right,
table.
here we go. This song is called the Hokey Pokey.
Circle.
So, everybody. In, one hand out, one hand in, and you shake it, shake it, shake it. Right, excellent, very good. 2 hands. Clap your hands. Two feet. 2 feet out. In. Shake. Out. Put your head in. You can shake it, shake it, shake it. You hokey cokey and sing a song. La 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 la. Right in, put your backside out, your backside in. Shake it, shake it. Oh, Miss Finn. Go get. Turn. Oh no. cokey and go down. Go back. Right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Right, goodbye, goodbye. Right, good stuff, mate. Good job. I'm fine. No. Very good, very good. I like it. Right.